In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use PSD to Xcode. First, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the file that you've downloaded from the website, and you're going to put it in Photoshop script folder. So navigate over to your applications and find the version of Photoshop you want to use. Just know that the script will only work with Photoshop CC and Photoshop CS6. I'm going to go ahead and use Photoshop CC for the example. Double click on presets, then again on scripts, and go ahead and paste the file here, and after doing so, restart Photoshop. I've already done this process prior to beginning the video. So now go ahead and find the design that you want to convert over to Xcode. I'm just going to go ahead and drag that in to Photoshop, and just take note of how I've titled the layers. All the layers are titled by what they will become in Xcode. So if I want something to become button, it's titled button. All static images are titled images, and any text can stay as a text. Great, so once you've done all this, make sure that you ungroup and unprotect all of the layers that you want the script to affect. Otherwise, the script cannot touch those layers. Great, so everything's ungrouped and unprotected, and everything is titled accordingly. So now we're ready to port this over to Xcode. So click on File, Scripts, PSD to Xcode. Now it's going to ask us to choose a storyboard file to implement this design onto. So I've already got one loaded up here, and here we are. So the script is now functioning, and it's taking every single layer and it's splicing it out into two different images. So we can see that happening here. One's a retina resolution image and one's a non-retina resolution image. So we're just going to go ahead and let this process go for a few more seconds. It's a really quick process. It shouldn't take any more than a minute or two. This one is nearly done. So there we go. The process is finished. So now let's go ahead and pop over to Xcode and see what's happened. So as you can see, something very similar to what we mocked up in Photoshop has been laid out here. But it's not exact yet, just because it's missing the images. One thing that I'd like you to take note of is that the images are here, the buttons are here, everything is in terms of Xcode controls. So let's just go ahead and finish up the process and add these images in. I'm going to go ahead and choose all of these images and drag them into supporting files. We're going to go ahead and click Finish, and bam, there we go. The exact design that we'd implemented in Photoshop is now available in Xcode. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.